Good morning, students. So today we'll continue with this chapter, that is Consumer Protection Act. Okay, and in the last class we did the rights of the consumers and the responsibilities of a consumer. Okay, okay. So today we'll start with we'll proceed with this chapter. I'll just show you what all we did in the last class. Yeah, this is the responsibilities of a consumer, and nextly the rights we did. What are the different rights attached with the consumer? Right for healthy environment, right for basic needs, food, shelter, clothing, rights to consumer education, right to be heard, right to redressal. Okay, so these were the different rights: right to information, right to choose, and right to safety. Okay, so these are the different uh, rights of the consumer. Importance is not there, you don't have to study about the importance. Okay, importance is not there in the syllabus. Okay, so these need, what is the need for consumer protection is there. The topics which are deleted I'll tell you once I proceed with this chapter. Okay, and today we'll start and we'll proceed with this chapter, that is conditions for a free market to exist. Okay, what do you mean by the word free market? What do you mean by the word, by this word free market? Free market means the consumer or the customer, they should have a freedom of choice, there should be free competition, and the consumer should be rational. Understood? Free market means that there should be freedom of choice. What do you mean by the word freedom of choice? Like, again I'm saying, if you are wanting to buy a phone, a cell phone or a laptop or any product if you want to buy, or any service, what will you look for? You look for different option available in the market, and what will you go for? You'll go for the best available option in the market. Okay, so this is the meaning of freedom of choice. The customers should always have a choice in the market. No matter if they are buying a product or a service, they should always have that option of different products. This is the meaning of freedom of choice. Okay, it's not that you go to a shop and the shopkeeper will force you, catch your collar and tell you to, you have to buy that product. No, it's up to you. If you want to buy, if you like that product, you buy, or else you move off, you move to the next shop and you see for the product. Okay, so freedom of choice, again I'm saying, means different options should always be available for the consumer. Okay, free competition. Free competition means like Samsung, iPhone, Vivo, Oppo. Different options are there when you want to buy a cell phone. So there are many options available, and there should be a free competition. It's not that only one type of product should be available in the market. If there is a freedom of choice, there should be a free competition in the market. And consumer rationality. Rationality means they should get good quality of products, rational products, good prices and quality products. Okay, understood? There should be no discrimination between the customers. It's not that a rich customer or a poor customer. There should be a standard cost for each and every product. Okay, for example, if you buy a Lay's chips, 5 rupees packet Lay's chips or 10 rupees packet Lay's chips, is it different for every customer? No, the price is same for each and every customer. This is the meaning of consumer rationality. Okay, and there should be free competition, as I said, and freedom of choice. Just remember one thing: the three main conditions for a free market: freedom of choice, the customers should always get the freedom of choice, options should always be available with them. Okay, free competition, as I said, there should be many different options available like Samsung, Vivo, Oppo, many options are there, and there should be a free competition. Understood? Nobody should stop you. I have the right, I can buy any product I want to. Okay, and consumer rational means there should be a standardized price for each and every customer. Okay, yeah. What is the need for CPC? CPC means, again I'm saying, if someone is asking you what is the full form of CPC, CPC means Consumer Protection Act. Okay, I'm sorry, it's Consumer Protection Council. Okay, so there are three main stages. If you have any problem, if a shopkeeper or any product is being cheated, so there are three places where you can go and file a complaint. Okay, and these are known as Consumer Protection Council. It's a council, it's a committee which protects, which safeguards the rights of a consumer. Okay, so the three main places are, it starts at the district level. Like for example, if you are staying in Asansol, there's one district level which is known as the District Consumer Protection Council. See this? District Protection Consumer Protection Council. Okay, next comes is your at the state level. Now if you're in West Bengal, if you're in Jharkhand, if you're in Madras, if you're in any place, any states, if you're staying, second level is state level, the State Consumer Protection Council. And lastly, it's the central level, which means the central government, Central Consumer Protection Council. Please remember this, the three levels of Consumer Protection Council. The three levels are, number one is at the district level. It's at the lower level. The lower level is the district level. Okay, next level is the state level, and at the last is the Central Consumer Protection level. Okay, now let us see who are the members of these different council or committee. Okay, let's start with the district level. At the district level, the members can be chairman, other members prescribed by the state government. Okay, so the members are the chairman and different other members who are prescribed by the state government. Like for example, if you are in West Bengal, the members of district council will be prescribed by the West Bengal government. Okay, now the state council or the state level is the chairman and again the members prescribed by the state government. Okay, up to 10 members nominated by central government. So here the central government also plays a vital role in state level. Why? Because 10 members, maximum up to 10 members can be appointed by the central government. Okay, and here for the central level, chairman, vice chairman and other members which are appointed by the central government. Okay, and meetings not less than 2 meetings in a year, at least 2 meetings in a year, and meetings at least once in a year. Okay, so these are the different levels of State Consumer Protection Council. Again I am repeating: district level, the state level and the central level. Okay, clear? Yeah. Consumer disputes redressal agencies. What do you mean by the word consumer disputes redressal agencies, which means if you have any problem, if a consumer is facing any difficulty, if the consumer is having any doubt, if the consumer is having any problem, if the consumer is being cheated, then these are the places where you can go and file your complaint. Okay, redressals happen, disputes and redressals, which means any problems if it has arise, these are the places where you can go and file your complaints. Okay, so it has again three levels: the district level, which is the district forum, the state level, state commission, and the national level or the central level. National level is also known as the central level, which the name is National Commission. Okay, so again, consumer dispute redressal agencies works at three levels. Consumer Protection Commission or the council, that also works at three levels. See this, it also works at three levels. And here this also works at three levels: the district level, state level, and the national level. So the lowest level is the district level. Okay, okay, composition is not that much required, don't have to study about the composition. Okay, yeah, now let us see when can you go to these different forums or these different commissions. What are the criteria, what are the different conditions that should be fulfilled for registering or filing a complaint with this forums. Okay, at the district forum, value of services and compensation claim does not exceed rupees 5 lakh. So if your compensation amount, if you are seeing okay, so for example, if you are having any problem, if you are being cheated and the value is not more than 5 lakh, which means less than 5 lakh, then you can file a complaint with district forum. The compensation amount, the claimed amount should not be more than 5 lakh. Okay, it should be less than 5 lakh. 5 lakh or less than 5 lakh, then you can file a complaint with district forum. Okay, so this is very important. Different amounts required for filing a complaint. Okay, this will come in value questions, value added questions. Okay, complaint can be filed by consumer, consumer association, central or state government. Okay, so it can be filed by a consumer or a state government or central government, any person or an individual. Okay, but it should not exceed, it should not be more than 5 lakh. Okay, it should not be more than 5 lakh. Okay, next is state commission. State commission, where your compensation amount is more than 5 lakh and less than 20 lakh. See here, exceeds more than 5 lakh but less than 20 lakhs. Okay, it is more than 5 lakh but less than 20 lakhs. Clear? Okay, in district forum, what we are seeing, if you are being cheated with less than 5 lakh or up to 5 lakh, you can go to district forum. If your compensation amount is less than 5 lakh or up to 5 lakh, you can go to a district forum. But if it exceeds 5 lakh, if it exceeds 5 lakh, then you should go to state commission or state forum. Okay, understood? And if it exceeds more than 20 lakh, if it exceeds more than 20 lakh, then you have to go to the national or the central forum. Okay, so please see the bifurcation or the different benchmarks which is being set for different claims. Up to 5 lakh, if the claim is up to 5 lakh, you should go to the district forum. If the claim is in between 5 lakh to 20 lakhs, you should go to the state commission. And if your claim exceeds 20 lakh, if it's more than 20 lakh, then you'll go to the national commission or the central forum. Okay, clear? So these are the different benchmarks which is being set. Okay, yeah, now we'll see the procedure. What are the different procedure? How can you file a complaint? Okay, we'll see how can a person file a complaint if you are being cheated, if you are being cheated, or if you want to claim something, then what is the different procedure for filing a complaint? Okay, the first is First is, see, the first process is the name, the description and the address of the complainant. If for example you want to complain, if you are being cheated and you want to complain, the first thing you have to do is either you go to the district forum, which means if it's up to 5 lakh. Next, if it exceeds 5 lakh but less than 20 lakh, you go to the state forum, or if it's more than 20 lakh, you go to the district forum. Okay, but wherever you are going, the first process is you should write your name, description, about your claim, how you are being cheated, and the address, your address of the complainant means your address. The person who is complaining is the complainant. Okay, the name, description and address of the opposition party or parties, as the case may be, so far as they can be ascertained. Okay, so in the second step, what you're doing now, you're giving the description and the address of the person who cheated you, the shopkeeper who cheated you, the person who cheated you with the product. Now you are giving the address and the details how you got cheated with that person. Okay. Third step, the facts relating to the complaint and when and where it arose. In the third step, what you are writing? How did you got cheated? Where did it happen and how did it happen? How did the shopkeeper cheat you? Which person cheat on you, and what was the different circumstances? Where did this happen? Different facts you have to write and mention. Okay. Next, 4 documents in the support of allegations contained in the complaint. Okay. So just by saying that I got cheated will not act as a proof or will not serve the purpose. What you have to do, you have to support your claim. Yes, this is the proof. You have to give different documents. It can be a receipt, it can be a product. I ordered this product but I got this product. So anything, but it should be supported by valid documents. You just can't say verbally or just can't write I got cheated. You have to support your claim with different documents, and it should be valid documents. Then only you will be proved in the district, state or national forums. Okay. The relief which the complainant claims. So last step, you get the relief or the compensation amount. If everything is valid, if the forum will see yes, you are being cheated, you got cheated, then you will get the relief. Okay. So this is a different procedure that you should follow. Okay. Yeah. Okay. So these are not that important. So as we see in India, the total number of consumer complaints, just for your knowledge, total cases filed, that is total, I guess, it's 618, and cases disposed is 527, and cases pending, it's 90 cases are still pending. Okay. So this is a different, the situation in India. Okay. So there are many cases which happens on daily basis as well. Nowadays it's being stopped. Why? Because there are different forums and redressal centers being set in district forum, in state forum and national forum. Okay. So see, this is the national, state and district. Okay. So this is the main scenario of India. This is not there in the syllabus. I am repeating this again. This is not there in the syllabus. See this. This is your syllabus. Importance is not there. You don't have to study the importance. Consumer protection importance is not there. And role of non-governmental organizations, it is not there. You don't have to study all this. Okay. All this you don't have to study. Please delete all these portions from your syllabus. You don't have to study all this. Okay. You don't have to study all this. Clear? So this is all about the chapter consumer protection. Clear? So if you have any doubt, please tell me if you have any doubt. This is all about the chapter consumer protection. The topics which I said is not there. Please don't have to study all those topics. Okay. Don't have to study all those topics. I'm repeating this again. Okay. I'm saying this from the beginning. So introduction, what is Consumer Protection Act? It got enacted in the year 1986. This is important. Okay. Difference between who is a consumer, what are goods, different definition of a consumer, definition of a goods, definition of a service, and a complaint. Okay, what must be there in a complaint, what should be the contents of a complaint. Okay, and what is the meaning of caveat emptor? Caveat emptor means let the buyer be aware. Caveat emptor means, I'm repeating this again, let the buyer be aware. Okay, and these are the different needs we studied, and then the rights of a consumer. Okay, rights of a consumer: right of safety, right to choose, right to information, right to be heard, right to redressal. This is there in part 1. Part 1 of this chapter, I've completed this. Consumer education, basic needs, healthy environment, the responsibilities of a consumer. Consumer is always the king. Okay, and the free market. How can be a free market? Freedom of choice, freedom of competition, and consumer rationality. Okay, and different councils are there. Lower level is the district level, state level, and central level. Okay, and the different forums, the redressal centers. Okay, and if it's your claim is up to 5 lakh, you go to the district forum. If it's in between 5 lakh to 20 lakh, you go to the state forum, and if it exceeds 20 lakh, you go to the national forum. Okay, so this is all there in the syllabus of business studies. Everything is there in YouTube. If you face any difficulty, please feel free to contact us. We'll be there to help you out. Okay. Okay, if you have any problem or any doubt, please tell me. Okay, thank you students, and have a good day. God bless.